Hello everyone, I'm in beautiful Hawaii at Blue Planet Research and I'm with Paul Ponto, the director and CTO. And Blue Planet is all about energy and solar energy, changing the world. Can you tell me what they do here?
Sure. Welcome, Cyan. We're standing in front of the Energy Lab, which is Blue Planet Research's headquarters. Here, this is the generation source for a 32-acre microgrid, which is Pu'uwawa Ranch. So we use the ranch and the microgrid as a test bed for all the different technologies that we test. The purpose that we have here is to do research on storage technologies. Solar, wind are intermittent technologies, and to make them work as baseload power, you have to add storage. So for the last 6 or 7 years, we've been testing different storage technologies to see what works the best, to be able to show other people what works and what doesn't work, and save them the trouble of making mistakes like we do from time to time. So we utilize different forms of storage technologies, and we're interested in anything that can store energy, whether it's flywheels, whether it's pumped hydro, hydrogen, or batteries. So we test all of those different things.
How much of the ranch right now is run on solar energy?
100%.
Okay, and then how is that solar energy broken down to create other types of energy?
So we have no connection to the utility. We are 100% off-grid here. And we also have a microclimate which complicates things. Typically in the morning it's blue skies, and as you can see now, it's starting to cloud up. By noon it'll be overcast. So we're designed to be able to run when it's overcast and carry the basic loads. But in the morning, we typically end up having too much energy because it's clear skies. So instead of wasting the potential off the roof, we find ways to store that energy. We use load banks such as electric vehicles. We charge up electric vehicles whenever available. We split water into hydrogen and oxygen, and we store the hydrogen to be converted back into energy with fuel cells later. So we're trying to be as efficient as possible. And one of the keys is also our control system. We have a control system that was developed in-house. It's called EMC. It stands for Energy Monitoring and Control Center. It automates and controls and monitors everything that goes on at the ranch. For example, if we had to monitor and control the hydrogen system, it would take a person every day to be turning it on and off and checking things. Well, EMC actually takes and monitors all of the conditions at the ranch. It looks at the time of day. It looks at how much solar energy is hitting the roof, what the loads are, what the state of the battery is, and then it makes a decision whether it can start making hydrogen or not. And it does the same with electric vehicles also. Because the last thing you want to do is store energy in batteries and then take that energy to do something less efficient. So we try to be as efficient as possible with everything we do here.
Wow, sounds amazing. I can't wait to go inside and check it out.
Yeah, it will be fun.
That's great.